Hey, what's up guys? TechRax here. Today we're going to be destroying Macintosh II. No, I'm just playing. It's a joke. It's too dang hot. What's up guys? I can't see with sunglasses on. Today I'm going to be trying to fix this Mac II. Pretty cool. Came out in 1987. Mac SE was the lower end of the range model. Yeah, this one doesn't turn on, and that's usually due to the clock battery, and there's also like another battery for turning it on that's dead. So gonna try and check that out. So I think this is an 880 configuration because I put a hard drive in it because it didn't have one. This one, at least, I have two of them. I stole the hard drive from the other Mac II for the Mac SE. There's a test you can do with these Mac IIs to see whether or not they are working by essentially jump starting the system. I'll show you that. Alright, so what you gotta do is put the black wire on the metal case and put the red wire on the white wire here, and then it should just turn on like that. Alright, so what it looks like is happening is the video card is glitching out on me. It looks also like the software on this is not for this. I think it's because this hard drive is actually from an LC. So I'll get another one of the video cards I've got, try that and see if it works better. Alright, gonna unplug the system. I'll undo the wires, obviously. Don't want to forget that. Screwed them in for some reason because I thought this was gonna work the first time. Not gonna screw it in this time because it's probably a-okay. Gonna jump start it again. Maybe something is actually wrong with the port I'm using, so just switch that over, I think. I've actually got a couple more video cards. I'm gonna try them out before I go straight to taking apart the whole computer. It could be that that video card is actually designed for the 2CI, I think, so that could be why it's not working. So let's see if this one's any better. This one is a different style entirely. It's got a BNC connector on it, so it might work better. Nope, it doesn't work at all. Alright, so funny story. I was trying to remove the other Mac II board from where I was storing it, and I broke one of the capacitors off. But I don't know how to do surface mount soldering. So that board is pretty much broken until I can figure that out. So I'm just gonna check out this board. I'm thinking there could be some capacitor leaking on this board. Alright, it does look like there was some capacitor leaking on some places on the board. Around there it looks pretty corroded. Over here. So I think I'm gonna throw this in the dishwasher. Before I desolder these batteries, I noticed something funny about them. Not really funny, just kind of interesting to me. So this computer was made in 1987, before the Berlin Wall fell, and the battery was made in West Germany instead of just Germany. I thought that was just kind of neat. Alright, there's the spot where they were. Time for this board to go into the dishwasher. The dishwasher was full, so I've got this nice tub, and I'm going to wash the board with some dish soap. I've got some nice warm water. I've got my board. Got my soap. I'm gonna put the soap on the board. Gonna get some water on the toothbrush. This is not my mouth toothbrush, obviously. Alright, all nice and sudsy. Gonna drop that in there. I'm gonna scrub a little more around the individual components. Get some more of the gunk off. Alright, that's probably good. I'm gonna rinse it off in the shower. Alright, here's my shower. I'm gonna turn it on. Rinse this board off. Nice and good. Nice and clean. Alright, I think I'm just going to let that sit to dry for a while. So, this is the board from the other Macintosh. I fixed the, capacitor. It looks very professional. It doesn't look like anything's ever been done to it. But I'm thinking the monitor is simply not the monitor designed for this computer, because, don't want to do that again. Because the monitor still does not work with this one, so I'm thinking this video card is simply not designed for it. You see, it still displays a similar pattern to the other one, so I think the sync might be out of sync. Maybe there's a maybe there's some dip switches on here. I'll figure it out. I do have a Mac OS 6 system disk, and I think I'm gonna try see if that helps anything. Okay, let's see if this boots. I'm not even sure if this disk is actually good. It should work. It's got system for all Macs, and it does seem to be booting. Great. I think I might have an RF modulator card for this computer, and if I can't get this monitor to work, I'm gonna have to try that out. Looks like it's stopped booting. Huh. Strange. I'm gonna find that RF modulator card. Alright, so I did some research. Turns out this monitor has a different resolution than this provides, which is pretty dumb of me to not think about that. So I looked up the pinouts for VGA to this connector. Looks pretty safe. I'm probably gonna blow myself up. Gonna hook it up, plug it in. It's already plugged in. I'm gonna turn it on, unplug everything important, and see if it blows up. The good thing with this situation is I actually have I have another card, another entire board, so didn't blow up. I think it's probably alright to hook up to my monitor. Okay, time to test while it's hooked up to an actual monitor. Actual display, I should say. Oh, come on. Stay awake, my guy. Okay, it's on the right setting. No signal. I also read that on older video cards it actually needs to be, one of the pins needs to be grounded, so I think I'll do that quick. Alright, I guess that didn't work. Alright, so it's wired up a little differently this time. I'm gonna see if this works. Darn, no signal. Alright, I guess that doesn't work. I've decided while I'm waiting for the new video adapter comes in, I'm going to clean up the case a little bit because it is pretty dirty. I have the case from the other Mac II, which is better off than this one. This one has a lot of rust in the bottom, and just be nicer to not have that. Internally, this one's a lot better off. There's no rust. It's got the speaker from the one that did have all the rust for some reason in it. I think I can put the old board in here as well. Okay, put all the chips back in. Might need the old board, the other board, to see where everything went. This is the Motorola 68020, which is the cousin of all the other 68K Mac processors. This is likely the most iconic one, just based on the design, the gold in the center and the purple around the outside. Looks pretty cool, I have to admit. This is another chip, not sure what it's for exactly. It goes right here. Alright, now to put the RAM from this one into this one. Okay, there we go. There's the new board and the new case. Move this out of the way. Okay. Okay. Jump start this one. No chimes still. Oh well. The board just likely needs to be recapped. I don't have that skill set though, so I'm not going to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually I'm going to solder some battery holders to the board. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the board after I soldered the batteries to it. It looks fine from the top, it looks okay, but from the bottom it looks absolutely horrendous. I've got my batteries here. I'm gonna put them in.
Gonna plug in the power supply. Plug in the power. Press the power button. Ah! I guess it works now. Now that this system works, I can take off this sticky note that says no power or boot. Just gonna pop everything back in, I'm gonna pop the hard drive, floppy, all that stuff back in. Video card back in. Probably unplug it. Or forget. This is an Ethernet card for when I get that screen. That's going to be the next installment. If I can get this to actually work. Still got the other bits in this computer. Alright, I think that's everything in the inside done. Also, it's got some tape on here. It's $50 for whoever bought this before me. 80/40 configuration, but that's not correct anymore. It's got a bigger hard drive. Cool. So this is my Macintosh II system, I guess. Not bad.